This is a massive staple project for Alaska. Ultimately, this is going to be a 15-mile bypass around Cooper Landing. It's going to be the longest single-span bridge in the state of Alaska. My name is Tyler Becker. I am a senior field engineer for Traylor Bros. We're a heavy civil contractor. We perform some of the most technically complicated projects, like the Juneau Creek Bridge project here in Cooper Landing, Alaska. Cooper Landing is a small town here on the Kenai Peninsula. It sees a lot of fishing tourism, so the population nearly quadruples in the summer months. The state of Alaska has been looking for a solution to reroute traffic to the other side of the Kenai Peninsula more effectively. The biggest challenge we have faced is getting all this structural steel from our fabricator up to the project site here in Alaska. The structural steel is pre-assembled here in the launch bed. We jacked down onto a big rolling system, and then large hydraulic jacks will push it across the canyon into its final resting place.
My name's Travis Ludlow. I'm a crane operator for Traylor Bros. The most challenging lift for us was the first girders of the bridge. They were very heavy, and I had to rely on a lot of ground people because wind was coming in. We could see up to 40-mile-an-hour winds. So I am very happy to have two Liebherrs here, one on each side of the project.
There are several factors that went into the decision to choose the 1300. The reliability of the 1300 is incredibly important for our project site. We have a small window before the weather kicks us out, so any malfunctions would cause massive schedule delays. The 1300 works when we need it. It's got the versatility and the capacity to handle all the lifts we need to do.
The Liebherr 1300 is very smooth, comfortable. The cab is very spacious and big that you can see a lot more around you. Traveling feature going up and down the hill and the terrain that we are in. Kind of nice that it has a live boom that you can control and help guide you.
"2D plans get you pretty far, but actually seeing where the crane is in space can help you identify a lot of other conflicts before you got a heavy load on the hook.
Being from here, being on this project, getting the challenges that I did, it makes me really proud because not a lot of crane operators get the opportunity.
I think a lot of the success of this job we can contribute to the crew. These guys work very hard, they're very talented, and they take a lot of pride in their work. It's very cool to be a part of such a big project.